Thought you're dreaming with a broken heart, but you don't have to sleep with a broken heart tonight, as I'm here to help. Sabi ni Shin, I'm so in love with my friend, and I know he knew it from the very start. That in fairness to him, he didn't avoid me. Actually, he takes good care of me. Kahit nagkakaroon siya ng mga girlfriend, he won't forget about me. Dumadating pa sa point na pinagsisilosan ako, at pag sinabi kong iiwas na ako, ayaw naman niya. What am I gonna do? Does it mean mahal niya rin ako? Thanks, VJ Nicole More. Power to mix. Alright, Shin. I think na yes, mahal ka niya, but it might not be the kind of love or hindi yung level ng love na gusto mo. Because, although you know what, I really can't understand for the life of me, the best friend relationship. Yung boys na may best friend na girl, and at the same time, meron silang girlfriend. I really cannot understand that. I cannot understand that, and personally, I cannot tolerate that. Because, if the guy has a best friend na girl, ba't di na lang yung girlfriend mo? Diba? I mean, that's the reason for why you have a partner anyway. That's the reason for why you're in a relationship. It's because that person is, pagdating sa mga levelings, that's the best person in your life. So your partner is supposed to be your best friend. Your boyfriend or your girlfriend is supposed to be your best friend. So I really can't understand how guys can have a best friend and then a girlfriend. Okay? So, yung best friend mo, I think is a confused being. Dahil, alam mo yun, may girlfriend siya, parang baka hindi ka niya nakikita in a romantic way. Baka yun. Although, you know, you might want to give it some time because maybe he's really just denying it. Dinideny lang niya yung feelings niya for you because he doesn't want to change what you guys already have. Posible din yun. But, you know, so just wait around, but if I were you, you know, I'd start going out. Yun ang test. Mag-date ka. Go out and date other people. Pag na-bother siya, then you have your answer. He likes you in a romantic sense. Pero kung di siya na-bother at sinuport ka pa niya, at naging bridge pa siya, clearly, he is just a friend. Okay? And guys, I need some more love advice. All you have to do is text me, mix space, VJ Nikki, space your message, any name, and send that to 2366. And that is it for Mellow Mix, you guys.